Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, go to search bar and type here File Explorer options. Then click here to open it. It will open this window, File Explorer options. Now from privacy section we need to select clear, and once done we need to just click on OK. Then simply open task manager. Once we are here, we need to just locate file explorer.exe. Just scroll down and find out file explorer.exe. So here it is. Simply select it and right click on it and select end task. So you can see the changes. To fix it, simply you can select run new task and type here explorer.exe and click on OK. Now we need to wait for some seconds. Once done, we need to close this window. Then simply go to search bar, type here msconfig. We need to open system configuration. So on this window, simply go to services tab, check this option, hide all Microsoft services, and click on disable all. Then we need to click on apply and then OK. Now once done, again right click here, select task manager, go to run new task, then click on browse button, go to this PC, open C drive, open Windows folder, then find out system32 folder, just double click on it to open it. Now here we need to find out cmd.exe file. So here it is, select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. And for here we need to execute this file sfc /scan now and hit enter. So this process will take some time to complete complete process, so we need to wait for some time. Once done, you need to type exit to close the command prompt window and restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.